Two boys, one brain cell, the beautiful Charles Beeson over there, Joel Norden over here, and today we're checking out another Papa Roach song off their upcoming album. This one's Kill the Noise, and we get to see them in July at Incarceration in Mansfield, Ohio. Sweet! So pumped about that. We're just kind of just going down that list of the bands and doing 2 or 3 songs by them if we're feeling it. And yeah, you ready for this one, bud?
Let's get it.
I just feel like I'm channeling something.
Kill the noise.
No love, no feelings. I choke on the air I'm breathing. I'm done, I'm healing. Ain't nobody stopping the bleeding. Death with demons on both sides. Can't think, no angel left inside. Chained to the static in my mind, and I can't hide. This rage I just can't escape. Screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice. Breaking through my mistakes, free fall into grace. I'm not insane. It's time to kill the noise.
Kill the noise.
My scars keep screaming. I live through the pain for a reason. My God, my anger, it drives me down like an anchor. I'm deaf with demons on both sides. Can't think, no angel left inside. Chained to the static in my mind, and I can't hide.
Halfway point, bud.
I love the angel and a demon on your shoulder
Yeah,
metaphor. Beautiful.
absolutely. Really liking the flow. Lyrics sound solid. Vocal solid. The only complaint I have so far, I wish the kill the noise part was a little more enunciated. And that's kill the noise. Like, kill the noise. And then hit.
Oh, you wanted a little deeper, more growly.
Yeah, or slowed down or stretched out a little bit more.
Okay.
So it's not kill the noise. And it sounds like really robotic and it's hard to even understand what the hell he's saying. You know what I mean?
I actually like that part.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, I just think it could be better with it a little bit expanded or
could
slower.
be.
Kills the noise and then hits. I don't know. Just something
be.
about the enunciation.
I really enjoyed the first one.
That's really minor, obviously.
That intro kill the noise.
Yeah.
Thought that one was perfect. The second one was a little less perfect.
Yeah, I mean
But-
they're about the same. It was expected probably at that point.
Yeah, it could have been that. But yeah, I enjoy that part too. So
I wasn't saying it was
Yeah.
like I said, I was just looking for a negative. That'd be it, and that's very, very minor at this point.
that's fair.
Continue.
Yes.
This rage I just can't escape. Screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice. Breaking through my mistakes, free fall into grace. I'm not insane. It's time to kill the noise. Shut up.
What do you think, bud? I really like the shut up part.
Yeah.
That's gonna be dope live.
Oh yeah. I think he's got an anger problem. At least that's what the song comes off to me as.
I can see that.
Rage, I just can't escape.
Yeah. Death with demons on both sides. Can't think, no angel left in sight. Changes its static in my mind.
Screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice. I mean, it just,
I could see it. Yeah. I think that's a fair assumption.
yeah. And I definitely could tell what you meant by stretching it out a little bit there.
Yeah, no, yeah, just because it would make it a little more enunciated because it just happens so fast that it's like hard to even understand what you're saying.
Yeah,
That's very minor.
absolutely.
Rating?
Rating, I'm going 8.
Wow.
I enjoyed that. It was catchy. It was
Yeah.
fast pace, upbeat. I used to have some anger issues too, so I can relate to the music. So ties together a little bit for me.
Still does. He's very mean to me.
Please, he's lying.
Don't vote for him and have a brain cell.
Wow, that's where you're gonna interject it.
I'm gonna go 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Makes the playlist.
Same.
Want to see this live really bad. That's where Papa Roach always sells me on their new music.
I would love to hear this live for sure.
Yeah, that shut up part's gonna go hard.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, and then you can sing along with the rest.
and I want to see how that Kill the Noise sounds live.
Yeah, that's interesting.
That robotic part of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Anything
Be
else?
interesting. No, that's all I have.
All right.
Vote Chuck for brain cell.
Yep, you deserve it.
Thanks, babe.
Until next time, guys. This is Two Boys, One Brain Cell. Joel Norden, Charles Beeson over there. Yeah, Two Boys, One Brain Cell. Peace.
Peace.